In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to contact support in Suno AI. So let's get started. So first of all is that there is no direct contact here in Suno website. So when you go here into more and go help, you only have the articles in here, but no direct contact into Suno customer support. So what you would need to do is go into Google, and then from here you'd be able to find out that their support is actually support at suno.com. So this is where you'd want to talk to them, email them about what you're dealing with. And so basically go into your email, and then from here you can go into recipients and then type in support at suno.com. And then from here, you want to select this one. And then here in the subject, so whatever you're dealing with, let's say that I want a refund regarding my subscription. You can type it in like this. And now you can type in the details. So let's say that I have been charged automatically just yesterday. I didn't know that it will be automatic. I didn't mean for this to happen. Kindly, kindly refund the amount. And you can provide your account details. So let's say the account name or username right here, and then your email, so on. So you want to provide as much details as possible about your account and your issue right here that you're dealing with. And now you want to click here on send and just wait for them to respond. And that's how you can contact Suno AI support.